Rain or snow. And after that falls down the line when I'm cleaning windows. So in my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. At 8 o'clock a girl she wakes, at 8:05 a bath she takes, 8:10 oh my ladder breaks when I'm cleaning windows. When I'm cleaning windows.
Look at that next kid. There goes that thing over London town. Who was a moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole damn world.
Just one gold medal. That's it.
again, hasn't he? I go cleaning windows to earn an honest bob. For a nosy Parker, it's an interesting job. Now it's a job that just suits me. A window cleaner you would be if you can see what I can see. That's right, honeymooning couples too. You should see them bill and coo. You'd be surprised at things they do. When I'm cleaning windows, my profession, I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. The blushing bride, she looks divine. The bridegroom, he is doing fine. I'd rather have his job than mine. When I'm cleaning windows, Jamie made sweet names I call. It's a wonder I don't fall. My mind's not on me work at all. When I'm cleaning windows, I know a fella such a swell. He has a verse that's plain to tell. Seen him drink his bath as well. When I'm cleaning windows, so in my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. Pyjamas lying side by side, ladies' nighties I have spied. I've often seen what goes inside when I'm cleaning windows. When I'm cleaning windows, she pulls her hair all down behind, then pulls down her never mind, and after that pulls down the blind. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. At 8 o'clock a girl she wakes, at 8:05 a bath she takes, 8:10 me ladder breaks. When I'm cleaning windows.
Out to church. Do you recognise it? Oh, those happy memories. There was I, waiting at the church, waiting at the church, waiting at the church. All I know, he'd left me in the lurch. Oh, how it upset me. Well, you know, worse than that. All at once, he sent me round a note. Here's this little note, this is what he wrote. Can't get away to marry you today. Ah, it's terrible. There was I, waiting at the church, waiting at the church, waiting at the church. All I know, he'd left me in the lurch. It didn't sound like it. All at once, he sent me round a note. Here's this little note, this is what he wrote. Can't get away to marry you today, my wife. Back as he goes, chick chicka-boom, chick chicka-boom. The senorita sing and hardly swing with the sombrero. It's very nice, so full of spice, and to the needle there is a happy ring, never a carol, singing as
have a rash, I know. See me dressed like all the spots, in me blazer and a pair of shorts, with me little stick of Blackpool rock. Along the promenade I stroll. It may be sticky, but I'll never complain. It's nice to have a nibble at it now and again. Every day, wherever I stray, the kids all round me flock. One afternoon, the band conductor upon his stand somehow lost his baton, it flew out of his hand. But I took in his place and then conducted the band with me little stick of Blackpool rock. With me little stick of Blackpool rock. Along the promenade I stroll. In my pocket it got stuck, I could tell, 'cause when I pulled it out I'd pulled my shirt off as well. Every day, wherever I stray, the kids all round me flock. A girl while bathing clung to me wings had to give. She cried, I'm drowning, and to save me you won't refuse. I said, well, if you're drowning then I don't want to lose me little stick of Blackpool rock. With me little stick of Blackpool rock. Along the promenade I stroll. In the ballroom I went dancing each night. No wonder every girl I danced with stuck to me tight. Every day, wherever I stray, the kids all round me flock. A fella took me photograph, it cost 1 and 3. I said when it was done, is that supposed to be me? I promptly mocked it up, the only thing I can see is me little stick of Blackpool rock, yes sir. Didn't take it to move that time.